My mistakes with the 1982 Cadillac Eldorado, first sold by Casa de Cadillac of Sherman Oaks, California.
Hi everyone, today I came by Evans Upholstery here to check on the Eldorado. So we're trying to get it back on the road to sell it. I'm curious to see if they buff the paint, if they did any detailing on it. So let's talk to Javier. Were you able to buff it?
No, there's gonna, we can put a little bit of like wax or something, but we try to buff it and it's not gonna clean.
How much does it cost to put a coat, a new black coat on it? Black and clear, right?
Let me get the guy.
And also the carpet. I don't know if it still smells funky in there. If we are able to clean it, great. But if not, we need to maybe replace it.
Let me get Tommy to take you over there. Still smell. Go ahead. We cleaned the carpet already, isn't it?
Thanks.
Okay.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
All right. A lot of projects here, more than they can handle.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we gotta start just getting all the ones that have been in here now.
So this is the Eldorado. It looked beautiful before, but after sitting a while,
I mean,
the paint,
not too bad.
It's not too bad, but
Yeah,
the
you
paint.
can buff it, wax it, and it'll come out real good.
Who can buff and wax? This is to be shiny and beautiful. I think it's just a matter of cleaning,
Yeah.
putting the greaser.
Yeah, pretty much.
Who can buff? Because Javier doesn't know if the paint's going to get better by buffing. What do you
Yeah,
think?
it will.
Okay, let's check this out. I still don't like the smell. It smells funky still, right?
Yeah, probably.
So we need to replace this?
What?
Replace the carpet, probably better.
Yeah, possibly. We checked it out pretty good. We cleaned it out, vacuumed it up.
What's this right here? Needs to be glued.
It started up, it ran.
That's good. So let's see what it costs to replace the interior carpet. What do you think?
What, price-wise?
Yeah,
Oh, I have no idea, bro. You'd have to talk to him about it.
let's talk to him.
Carpet's not too bad, though.
It's
I
not
mean,
too bad, it's just the smell though.
Yeah.
Unless, I mean, take to a company to probably do it professionally, steam it.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's possible just to have the whole thing steamed out.
So do they have to remove the seats or not?
I don't. The back ones, yeah, but the front, no. I don't think we removed.
There's no carpet underneath?
Yeah, there's carpet underneath the seats.
Yeah, there's carpet underneath, so maybe we need to remove the seats to shampoo over there.
Possibly.
You know how to remove the seats and
Yeah.
Ooh. So we're here looking at the options, maybe repaint the Eldorado, maybe detail it, polish it. I'm not sure if it's gonna make that much of a difference. The carpet inside, maybe I need to replace it. I need to find a plush, a real thick type of carpet. The interior, yeah, has to be done. Let's see about the paint. Basically, I want to sell it nice or maybe keep it. If it looks nice, I'll keep it, but I have somebody that wants the car, but it looks terrible now.
Oh yeah, if you paint it, you're gonna want to keep it.
It is a beautiful car. It's the last of the big body Cadillacs. It's gangster because it's the last big full-size body.
Yeah.
It's all triple black. Funeral homes.
For 1800, everything.
Ooh,
Paint,
1800.
paint and-
There's no body work.
There's still a lot of prep though.
Yeah, not too much chromas, and it's like
Yeah. So
chromas.
there's a lot of masking and a lot of like sanding because he does have to sand the whole car down so it's dull. That otherwise you can't paint it.
I know, I understand all that.
Okay.
Yeah, I totally see that.
And then it's a this one, the big ones.
Yeah, that's gonna
The
take
big
a little
ones, the
more.
big ones, I put a little one. This is so clean.
Yeah, that's no bueno.
And that one right here, I see one more right here. So the big ones, I put a little one.
See, this car had a cheap paint job before. It was painted cheap. That's why it didn't last. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
So
if there's one thing I learned about all the paint in all the years is
You're
the
gonna be
clear
on our-
coat is what really counts.
you're gonna be on our channel, you know.
Yeah, well that's cool. But
Promo-
you gotta have the
promoting-
best clear coat. The clear coat is
Yeah.
what really matters. You can have a decent or even okay paint, but is the clear coat's good, it's gonna last you for a long time.
Okay, because people are gonna comment on this video. You better be right.
Is to get the best clear.
Okay.
If it was my car, I'd buy the $150 clear, the good stuff. That way it lasts forever.
But if we're gonna sell it,
Even though you gotta get some decent clarity for it to.
I understand. I understand. So, okay, let me talk to Javier and see the price for the carpet inside too.
Yeah.
Another issue here I'm trying to solve. Leave this glass a little firmer. The interior is nice. We're just gonna, it's set for so long, we're gonna have to redo the seams here, redo this job. And what's this? Yeah, it needs to be fixed, all this. Folks, look at this, it's nice. Cadillac technology in the 80s. Soft close for the trunk. So reflecting on the whole situation here, I think I'm gonna paint the Cadillac and fix the interior. We came this far, let's do it right. Hopefully the new owner will appreciate it. Yeah, we decided to paint the Cadillac really and do a good job and just do it right and do new bottoms on this, new leather, new bottoms on the seats, on the front seats. Sorry about that noise. New leather, it look nice. And resolve the little quirks, little things. So basically new paint job and new seat bottoms. This Cadillac's gonna look nice. I love this Eldorado, 83 Eldorado, because it's that body style is the last full-size Cadillac. The last full-size body Cadillac made. After that they made a real little Cadillac, little body. You guys know in the late 80s, early 90s, the Cadillac got real small and ugly. So this is the last full body Cadillac. Thanks again for watching this. One more thing I forgot to mention about the Cadillac Eldorado, we're gonna redo the carpet as well. So we're gonna steam it. If the steaming doesn't get the smell out, or whatever it was, a cat piss or rat piss, whatever it was, we're just gonna reupholster it, put new carpeting inside the Eldorado, and that'd be awesome. So paint, leather, and carpet. I don't know what else. Anyways, I better stop putting money on this car at some point, or I'm gonna lose my tail on the sale. Anyways, it's a beautiful Cadillac, triple black, so it deserves some love. In essence, the Cadillac was just fine. It was nice. It's all my fault. I did some leather work in the headliner, and I just left the car parked there for 3 years. He's been super cool to let me, but all this damage happened along the way. I should have imagined something like this would happen. It's a work area, and that long, 3 years, I think, was parked there. So now I'm paying the price to bring it back to the shape that it was. It's a great Eldorado. It's bought it from Salvation Army, if you can imagine. The family sold the car after the elderly passed away. So it has 80,000 miles. It's quite nice. But I caused all the disaster. All right, folks, I'll talk to you later.